Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make WordPress site private. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So for that we have to install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new. So search your maintenance and then install this maintenance plugin and activate, and after that you will get this maintenance option here. Open it, and now here you have to fill up this little form with your information. So here you have to enter your page title. So my page title is how to 1 minute, and the headline here you have to put your headline. So I'm giving here site is private, and you can add a little description here. Site will be available soon, thank you for your patience. And then you can change the background image from here. When everything is finished, click on save changes, and make sure you turn on this switch save changes. And now if I preview my website, here we can see site is private. So this is how we can make WordPress site private. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.